Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about Green's theorem. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to draw the diagram in here. So we have the square with 4 vertices. So they should be like this. So we have these points in here. The next one, this is about counterclockwise. Because this is about counterclockwise, that means there will be about positive in here. If the question they mention about clockwise, that is about negative orientation. So this is the technique for you. Because this is about counterclockwise, so they should be like this. Now we have this one. So we have the formula in here. So we need to do first the derivative of n with respect to x minus first the derivative of m with respect to y. So we put about the 8 in here. So in this situation, m that is about 6y squared and n that is about 4x squared. Now if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 2y, 4y squared, number 6 and number 2 we have 12. The next one, first the derivative of n with respect to x. So this one we have 2x, number 4 with number 2 we have number 8. Now we put this one cone here. Now, because this is about counterclockwise, so there should be about positive sign here. If this one is about clockwise, that is about negative orientation. This one will change for negative sign here. So because the question that is about counterclockwise, now we just consider about the positive in here. Next, we need to consider the bounds. So if we look on the graph, we can see that this line in here, that is about y equals to number 3. And this line here, that is about y equals to number 0. So this one, that is about s equals to number 3. And this line here, that is about s equals to number 0. And now we have the bounds of dy dx. Now we put everything gone here. So this one we can calculate, and we have negative 54. This is the end. Thank you for watching.